Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprise Us Play, and today I have, I think, 2 BJDs. I ordered one, they didn't send it for a long time, and then 2 boxes showed up from Denver Doll Emporium. So I think they sent me the same doll. If they did, we'll be sending it back. But I wanted to open it up with you guys to see if I was right. So let's see. Oh, and the person I got, the BJD that I got was Angelo. And I'm excited to see what he looks like. So, okay, so this says MSD Angelo Skin Normal. Okay, so this is my Angelo. And I didn't get him a face up because I plan on doing a personalized face up by some artist. I'm not quite sure who yet, but soon we will have that revealed. Ah, it says BJDs are blooming at DDE. So pick 1, 2, or 3 today. Oh, and they always send some candy, which I love. This looks like some type of little, well, Japanese or Chinese candy. This is a Chinese candy. So cool. So denverdoll.com if you guys want to buy this doll. He's so beautiful, but he's not going to have a face. So just be aware. He's not going to have a face or eyes. So he might be... Oh, I saw him. He's so pretty. He's my pouty boy. So I wanted a pouty boy. And I got one. So he has a little peepee. Let's see. Let's see how well he bends. See if I have to loosen him or tighten him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, boy. You are beautiful. Look at those feet. Oh. Okay. I need to give you guys an in-depth detail of my BJD collection, and I actually have more on my other shelf over there of BJDs. So I need to do a full in-depth video. These scissors are not getting him, and I don't want to hurt him. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Urgh. One doesn't want to come off. I don't want to stretch him. There we go. Whoa. Okay. And I do have some clothes for him. Oh, they did give him eyes. Oh, they gave me eyes. Oh, Angelo. He's going to look so cute. I already have a wig for him. Maybe I can grab his stuff and show you what he's going to look like with his little wig. So this is Angelo. He's a pouty boy. I got him specifically because he's a pouty boy. I've been looking for pouty boys all over, and Denver Doll Emporium had the exact pouty boy that I needed. So he's going to go well with these girls up here. I cannot wait to take, like, you know, boyfriend, girlfriend photos of him with them. But okay, let's see if we got another Angelo. So let's put him back in. No, we're gonna keep him out. Okay. I think this is another Angelo. Yeah, it might be. And I don't have any information except for it's just in this box. Yes, I think it's another Angelo. Oh, I got some shoes though that I ordered. Finally. Okay, is it another Angelo? It is. I got 2 Angelos. That sucks. That sucks. Because I'm going to have to email this, or not email this, but I'm going to have to call them, get this situated, because these are not cheap. So he cost me $179 without a face up. So, okay. So I got this Angelo. We need to lock him up in here so we we can mail him back to Denver Doll Emporium. I'm glad they send me my shoes though, but that sucks they send me 2 Angelos. I mean, that's cool in a way if I can keep it. Like, do you think they're gonna let me keep it? So I'll probably just resell it, honestly. I don't need 2 Angelos. I mean, I do have 2 Chloes, but one of them's an MSD and one of them is an SD, so. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what Angelo's gonna look like. Okay, so I wanted to see how Angelo bends. He's a little tight, but that's good. He smells like resin. Oh, he does have a little marking. But he's beautiful. Okay, so let's put him in the outfit that I originally had for him. His shoes don't match, but let's see if his wig fits. So I got this little pink wig for him. Ignore my cats. I got a new kitten, and Spooky doesn't like the new kitty. Okay, so let's see if this fits you. I'll be really sad if it doesn't because I bought it specifically for you, Angelo. Okay, so. And I'm not using a wig cap because the wig cap is, or the wig is pretty big. But he has this pink wig. Try to fix it, lay it down flat. It's just going everywhere. Oops. Maybe it just goes out like that. Because it's supposed to be messy, like a K-pop. Here, let's get his other stuff on and then. So we'll take his head off and I need some pliers. So here's the inside of his head, and then you have to move that hook the other direction. So I forgot what kind of a degree angle that would be, but, and then his head will pop off like this and we can put his clothes on him. So I got him this Kuromi sweater. I know it's kind of girly. He can also wear this too, but I already have someone in a white sweater. So I have this. I mean, this might look better than the Kuromi outfit, so maybe we'll put this on him. I would love the Kuromi outfit. Well, let's see. I also have these black pants. Does anyone have tennies that I can steal? You've got pink ones. Are those white or pink? I think those are pink. Okay. Let's just put him in the Kuromi outfit. So they also got him some pants that are like cargo pants. They have working pockets in the back. Okay. Usually I dress my dolls laying down, but I'm trying to show you guys the doll. So if it looks a little awkward while I'm dressing him, I'm sorry. Okay. And then the Kuromi outfit. My other boy doesn't have a face. Oh yeah, he does. He has a face, but he needs some clothes and hair. It's really hard to find the perfect look for your BJD. Like, you could order the best stuff and it comes and you're like, oh my gosh, my BJD does not look good in this. Like the wig for Angelo. Like, I don't know if I like his wig. Okay. Head back on. Where's my pliers? All right. wig on. Sorry, I'm gonna lay him down real quick and then get him ready for you guys. Oh! And then these I bought for Angelo, but I stuck them on her. But I bought them for Angelo. So let's see. Oh yeah. Cute. My pouty boy. Okay. And then we can put some shoes on him too. So this is what he looks like. So you saw me take a completely naked doll that doesn't have a face up and turn it into something customized, like that I love. And I think he looks so cute. He's so adorable. I wanted him to be more femme. I wanted a femme boy, so but I have another Angelo. Maybe I can make him unfemme, so I can have a more feminine boy and a more masculine boy. Then I have these little Nike shoes. So I'm gonna put, like, they're really cute. I'm gonna put these on his feet. Somebody made these. Made them. It's another reason I love BJDs, is because the quality of the dolls is phenomenal because somebody handmade them. I bet in this outfit he would probably not wear these shoes, but he's still a boy and he's still figuring himself out, so he doesn't know how to match yet. But here he is with his shoes, his hair, his little glasses. He's my pouty boy. And I'll give you guys an update on Angelo as soon as I get him his face up. But anyways, here he is. I hope you liked him. It's unfortunate that I did get 2 of them just because they're kind of expensive. So I don't know if they're gonna have me send it back to them or if they're gonna keep or if they're gonna let me keep it. But either way, I'm glad I got my Angelo finally. He's so cute. Like, I love boy dolls. So I used to be in love with the boys Bratz dolls, like so in love with them. And then my boyfriend bought me some boys Bratz dolls for my birthday. Like, they're so hot. This one, Ian. I think this is Ian. Yeah, Ian. Oh, killer. Look at him right here. Anime was my first love. Anime. That's what did it for me, anime. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up. And yeah, comment below if you want to see more videos like this and click subscribe. Bye, everyone.